Call! Uncle!
Hey, yo! My name is Tolentino Jasper J. I am 20 years old and currently studying at LSPU San Pablo campus. I am taking up IT and I choose SMP as my specialization. Why SMP? To train and to become a certified professional capable of delivering treatments to anyone who needs them. And my hobbies are, let's watch this!
Hey!
Yun this is my hobbies. Picture tayo para.
Video naman yan,
Ano, video ba?
Video ba?